Hello guys, today I will show you a hot food vending machine, how convenient it is. If you don't have time to make your own lunch every day, the lunch time is relatively short, or there are no restaurants nearby that you want to enjoy a healthy and delicious lunch. Is there any solution? Of course, our TCN Smart Hot Food Vending Machine is specially designed for this purpose. First, we ensure food safety through oath sterilization of the whole machine and ultraviolet disinfection of the meal outlet. Secondly, through the heating of the whole machine and the XY axis lifting method, we ensure that the machine can deliver meals faster, and different heating time can be set according to the food to maximize the efficiency of the meal delivery and ensure that the meal is not clouded during peak hours. If you are interested, you can pay attention to whether there is a suitable location near the office building where you work, or whether there is a factory or scenic spot. If you have such a demand, you can contact us in the following ways. You also want to know more about other types of vending machines, you can also tell me in the comment section. Well, thank you all. See you next time.